Okay, I'm going to show y'all the newest addition to the farmhouse. This is our catio. Still got a little tools and stuff laying around, but Jim framed up a cage wall here, and we put a screen door in so we can come out and get into the catio this way. We've got some nice wide 2x3 fencing up here, hardware cloth, all the way up to the ceiling, so the cats are not going to be able to get out and no critters are going to be able to come in. So he put some pieces at the bottom there to staple the fencing to, and what we're going to end up doing is putting the cat litter boxes right here, so they'll be wanting to come out and use the bathroom. And Jim's gonna, you can hear the sawing on the other side. Jim's over there sawing a hole in the wall so we can put a cat door in here. So the cats will have ready access 24/7, 365, in and out of their catio. And for the first time in their lives, they'll be able to come out and enjoy the weather. So I'm so excited.